Good morning, student. Today's chapter, that is chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. Already you have studied regarding the introduction part. There are exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. You have a clear idea regarding all those. So now we'll study regarding coal. You may have seen coal or heard about it. It is hard as stone and it is black in color. If you touch it, it is hard as a stone. The appearance, what is the appearance of that uh, coal? It is in black in color. So this coal is having a various purpose and various uses in our day-to-day life. Coal is one of the fuel which is used for cooking food. In various sector you will find coal is used as a fuel to cook food. Earlier days it is used as a fuel in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. To run the engine, steam engine, this coal is used to produce steam which will help to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plant for producing electricity. To produce electricity, coal is used nowadays. At present, this coal are used for producing electricity in thermal power plant. So coal also used for fuel in various industries. So how this coal is formed and where do you find? So if you look the coal about 300 millions years ago, the earth a dense forest in low-lying westland areas. In that areas, what happened? Due to some natural calamities, natural processes, this what happened? Due to cyclone or flooding, this lowland areas are covered with a dense forest, which are covered by a layer of soil due to natural process. So after many years, the layer which is covered by soil, it will, due to compression, this layer will go deeper and deeper into the earth. At a point, what happened? Due to this compression, the temperature will be increased. So this temperature the rise of temperature will be more. So due to the increase in temperature, definitely there will be a rise in pressure. Due to the temperature rise and pressure, they are converted into a coal. This dead plants and got slowly converted into a coal. As coal contains mainly as you know, coal is mostly contains carbon atoms. So the process of conversion of dead vegetation into a coal is called carbonization. What is that? Carbonization is the process in which this slow conversion of coal into a conversion of dead vegetation into a coal is called carbonization. Since it was found from the remains of dead vegetation, this coal is also called as fossil fuels. We have known the definition of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means nothing but it is the dead plants and animals which are buried millions years ago, or due to high pressure and temperatures, that are converted into one type of minerals, or we can say one type of fuels, that is known as fossil fuels. Fossil means that is remaining dead plants and animals. That is fossil fuel. Fuel means already we have studied the definition of fuel. Fuel is nothing but the substance which produces heat and light when it burnt. When you burnt it, it will produce heat and energy. That is known as fuel. So this coal is having various purposes. This coal is used for various purposes. For example, if you take a coal and if you burn in the presence of air, in air what gas is present? Oxygen, most probably. Oxygen is present. In the presence of oxygen, you will burn what it will produce. It will produce carbon dioxide gas. So this carbon dioxide gas is produced when you burn coal. So coal is processed in industry to get some various useful products such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas. These are very useful product. So we will study one by one. First of all, coke. What is coke? Coke is a tough, porous, and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. It is almost a pure form of carbon. So coke is used in the manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. So this coke is used in the manufacturing of steel. So this steel is produced from, how they are manufacturing this steel. This steel is made from iron ore. How they are converting due to with the help of this coke. Coke is used for manufacturing of steel and the extraction of many metals, and various metals are extracted. So these are extracted from with the help of coke. So coal tar, it is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. So if you see coal tar, it is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. You will find in during the construction of road they use the black thick liquid. So these are coal tar. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. These substances are this coal tar is used as a starting materials for manufacturing various substances such as like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials. These are roofing materials, etc. These are the materials which are used, which are manufactured with the help of this coal tar. This coal tar is used as a starting material to manufacture various substances. Already I talked about the various substances. So this if you see, this coal tar is also used for manufacturing of naphthalene balls. These are used for reflecting of this moths. Moths means insects, some other insects. These are obtained from coal tar. So nowadays, whatever bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar. They are using a petroleum product, that is bitumen, that is used in place of coal tar. They are used for metaling the roads. So next is coal gas. Coal gas is obtained while the coal is converted into a coke. During that process, the one gas will release. That gas is collected. That is known as coal gas, which are collected in a separate machine, and whatever that coal gas is used for further as a fuel in many industries. So this, if you find in coal mines, in coal or coal factories, in coal industries, you will find there are many other various factories which are situated, so that this coal gas which are formed in the factory are easily able to supply to other factories to manufacture various substances. So these are the three usable products which are obtained from coal. This that is known as coke. One is coal tar, and that another one is coal gas. These are the three basic important which useful product which are obtained from coal for various application for manufacturing various substances. So these are the useful function regarding the useful product of each product which are obtained from coal. Today's chapter already we have learned regarding coal. Next we will study regarding petroleum, how it is obtained and how it is formed. So thank you so much. Any doubt, underline those words and try to learn, and any doubt you can ask me and text me in that WhatsApp. Thank you.